Welcome back to Wheel World. Today, we're diving into one of the sleekest and most futuristic sedans from Volvo, the 2025 Volvo S90. Get ready, because this is the definition of luxury and cutting-edge technology wrapped in an outstanding design. Let's start with the front, which strikes the perfect balance between aggressive and elegant. The sharp lines of the grille, framed by Volvo's iconic emblem, are accompanied by slim LED daytime running lights that emphasize its sporty yet refined character. From the side, you can immediately see the dynamic coupe-like silhouette. The sleek, aerodynamic lines, paired with this stunning metallic red color, give the Volvo S90 a luxurious yet powerful presence. The large, black sporty wheels complete the aggressive yet sophisticated look. Now, let's check out the rear. These extended, sharply contoured taillights are definitely eye-catching, combining futuristic aesthetics with smooth curves that give the back a bold stance. The large Volvo emblem in the center leaves no doubt. This car is all about quality and reliability. After all, the 2025 Volvo S90 isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of the future of automotive design. With its futuristic styling, aerodynamic features, and modern accents, this car combines both performance and beauty in one complete package. Stay tuned for our upcoming test drive video, where we'll take this luxury sedan out on the road and see how it performs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the latest updates from the automotive world. See you on the next ride.